Hi, I'm Hannah at Copeland and I'm here to talk to you about how to answer competency-based interview questions. Lots of interviewers use competency-based questions because it gives them the ability to make an objective assessment of each candidate's experience and also to be able to compare directly candidates' answers through scoring. Common themes for competency-based interview questions are around communication, decision-making, leadership, results orientation, teamwork and trustworthiness and honesty. I would really recommend having a bank of about 5 to 10 scenarios in your mind from previous roles that you can use to answer these questions. So 5 to 10 examples that you know really well that you can use depending on the question. Now, the thing to remember when you're answering a competency-based interview questions is the STAR technique. So it starts with S for situation. So here is where you set the scene, you give a context and you allow the interviewer to understand the wider situation that this example is from within. The second is T, which is task. So this is to talk specifically about your role in this situation, what your task was. Really important here to use I instead of we, even if you're working in a team. Always show what your individual effort was, otherwise it's hard for the interviewer to know what you did and actually what other people did. Next is A for action. So this is the most important part. This is where you give lots of detail to the interviewer about what you specifically did, what the actions you saw necessary were, and what actions you carried out. Give them quite a lot of information because, again, they don't know the detail of the project or the company that you're working for at the time, and also obviously give them opportunity to ask questions. This is a really key area to show how you communicated as well and how you communicated it internally with colleagues or externally with clients. The last part is R, which of course is result. Really important not to forget this. Ideally you want to summarise this with a positive result, although obviously that can't always be the case. And you want to give them a quantifiable result. So if it's a cost saving, give them the facts and figures. If it's a successful sale, tell them how much revenue it brought in for the company. Give the interviewer something really tangible that they can take away as a success. I hope that was helpful. Remember to use the STAR technique. Also take a look at my colleague Nicola's video as to how to prepare for your interview for some further hints and tips. Thanks.